If you're relying on search engines to drive new business, monitoring CTRs and Google Search Console is a must-have. With this report, I'm going to build with you step by step. You can consistently evaluate the performance of your organic search strategy, optimize your presence in the SERPs, refine keyword targeting, evaluate content effectiveness, and drive conversions. For example, when comparing the CTR for different keywords, you can identify high-performing keywords that drive significant traffic and engagement to your website. With this information, you can refine keyword targeting, identify new opportunities, and optimize your content strategy to align with user intent. So let's get started. First, import from Google Search Console, set up refresh and weekly snapshots. Now make a quick week number column. Make a new week-over-week tab and insert a pivot table to see the average impression and CTR each week. Now calculate week over week for impressions and CTR. Lastly, I'm going to create some labels to help interpret the week-over-week calculation. I recommend keeping an eye on CTR. Any significant movement is significant. If it's dropped but impressions have gone up, you're simply ranking for more keywords, so average CTR has declined. If CTR has increased and impressions have decreased, you've lost keywords. If both CTR and impressions have gone up, congrats, you're doing something right.